La belle époque, oh oh. La belle époque.
Hi everybody, welcome to this week's video. It has been a busy week. The retreat I did, it was a private retreat and we went everywhere. So we were on the go every single day. A few things happened here at the Chateau, but not a ton. You can see that the guy has come and set up the sprinkler system, which I do my best not to leave on all night. I've been pretty good. Only one night. And yeah, so I'm just here on Sunday recovering, chillaxing, making my video. But I think everybody had a really great week. So I did a little montage, as I seem to always do, because this group didn't really want to be filmed, but it was just to give you an idea of some of the things we do. Everything from an Armagnac tasting, which was a new thing even for me. And Château Arton is just gorgeous. So if you're in the Lectoure area, it is well worth a visit. They also do wine. And for those of you who don't know, Armagnac is a cognac made in a different way, but it's also made from grapes, as is cognac. So that was really interesting. It was like a masterclass in in Armagnac. And as I say, the chateau there was just stunning. And other highlights, obviously we went to Lectoure. We did Le Village again with the Brocante market. We went to Cahors, the town of, and then we did a wine tasting at Chateau Arton, which I'm realizing I don't think I have any footage of. I think it's because I've done it so many times that I feel like it's going to be boring. And if you've watched my channel at all, you've probably seen video of it before. What else did we do? We went to Chateau Milandes, which was the home of Josephine Baker. And again, I've been there many times, so you have probably seen other footage of it. That day we also went to the town of Bergerac, which was really fun. The town where Cyrano de Bergerac is, I guess, reportedly from. So anyway, it was a great week. Everybody had a really good time. We had James cooking, so food was amazing. We went to a 5-star restaurant, well, a Michelin-starred restaurant one night, which was out of this world. But it's like a marathon dinner. You don't get out of there until 12:30 at night. It's crazy. Anyway, so yeah, all in all, a great week. A lot of driving on my part, but apparently the rental car said we went 850 kilometers. So you guys who were on the trip, we went a long way. So anyway, it was a great week. Next week, back to work, I hope. My Tyler only showed up one day this past week, so I'm hoping he comes a little more this week. Don't have a whole lot of control over the contractors' schedules, as always. But I have to hustle and get things turned around for another retreat I'm doing in 3 weeks. Not to mention the wedding. So it's all coming fast and furious. All right, enjoy this week's montage, and I'll see you next week. Just admiring this amazing wisteria. They've trellised it and polandered it all along here. And then I don't know if you can see how thick this trunk is. It's just amazing. And the smell is out of this world. You can sort of see how it goes along here. And this is the trunk of it here. It's just unbelievable how big it is. It must be super old. And they've got this whole thing trying to hold the whole thing up. But it could probably hold itself up at this point. Crazy. Look at this the old hearse.
Golden trinkets, mobile phone, expensive shoes, you can get your own. It's gonna love you. Yeah, I'm gonna love you. I'm gonna love you, babe. Cross my heart, hope to die. I'm gonna love you. Oh, I'm gonna love you. Yeah, I'm gonna love you. I'm gonna love you. I'm gonna love you, babe. Cross my heart, hope you die.
Don't wanna sleep tonight at all. Just wanna watch them stars fall. Would you?
Put it on the mother of the bride registry. Okay, I've decided I want these plates. Each one is different, and they're so beautiful. And it's 250. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 for the set of 9. So obviously one got broken somewhere along the way. A few did. Oh, I just love them.
It's where we go. I grow wings and tell her goodbye. Oh, it's not what we see, it's what we choose to be.
Ooh, that was a frog. Yep, he just jumped. It's under there. I don't know if you can see him.
I see one.
Yeah. So pretty though.
There's some fish in here. And
Yeah?
there's, some frogs.
The frogs are scared of you. Why is that?
And you're in
The frogs are scared
frogs
of you.
always scared.
Fire breath and open sky. It's not what we know, it's where we go. I grow wings and tell her goodbye. It's not